What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send automatic emails in Jira. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Jira. After typing, you will see this first official website of Jira under the Atlassian. Just simply click on it. After clicking, you will be redirected to this landing page of Jira. So if you are new to Jira, just simply log in or sign up with your email and password, and after that, click on Go to Jira. Now, after coming to the home page of Jira, on the left side, go to the project section, click on it, and then open your recent projects on the left side as you can see. And after opening at the top, click on these three dots of your project title on the right side. You can see these three dots. Click on these dots and then click on project settings. Now after coming here on the left side, you can see the option of automation. Click on this automations option and then you will see the option of create rule on the right side. So simply give it a click on create rule and then click on create from scratch. Now after that, this will guide you to create your first rule. You can read it and then you can apply it, but I'll just skip this tool for now. And first you need to add a trigger, like you can choose from these triggers or integrations, or let's say uh, this is the trigger. After that, when you add the trigger, click on next, and when this step appears to add a component, click on then add an action. After that, to add an action, in the search bar, search for send email, and then you will see the send email action. Click on it and then just write the email to the reporter, or if you want write the email to someone else, you can even write that too. And then here write your subject, and then here write your content or your body, whatever you say. And then when you are done, you can see these more options. If you want to edit something from here, like the from name and to reply to, if you want to add some emails, you can add here. And then when you are done, just click on next. After that, if you want to add another component, you can add another component, or you can just simply click on turn on rule on the right side at the top. Then just name your rule like this. I have named this rule as new rule, and then you can choose whom to assign, like private, specific admins, or all admins. You can choose, and then you can click on turn on rule to turn on your rule. So this is how you can send automatic emails in Jira. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.